How you doing, people? I know it's been a couple of weeks. I'm taking a little bit of break. I'm trying to change my thing up. I'm up to other things right now. But what I want to tell you right now, right off the top, please do the most you can, as much as you can, when you can. I blew it my first year, but I was also didn't have the strength. And I told you the story before. But I am doing the most I can now. I've been working, so that's why I'm taking a little break, so that way you guys are already seen every little move. I've been showing you guys little ideas, giving you ideas and what I can do. But remember, I'm not a physical therapist. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a human trying to show you guys what I do, and what works for me might not work for you, might work for you. But you guys always got to ask your doctors before you try anything, okay? So at least remember that. But you gotta put some effort into whatever you do, because I notice I've been putting a lot of effort into what I do, and it's been working. Should I have been doing a lot more work at the beginning? Yes, I could have, but I wasn't strong enough yet. I had such bad nerve damage, and my mental game wasn't there. I was so depressed. But I am better, getting better as every day I get stronger and better. But I am working on a couple of projects, and I'll show you real quick. I got my griddle right there underneath the cover, and over there I got my plants starting to pop up now. I don't know if you can see them inside there. They're starting to pop up. So I'm working on a few little projects. That helps with my mental game, people. But even throughout all that, people, we got to keep doing what we do. You know what I mean? We got to keep the exercise going. I've been working extra hard, going to the gym, going to physical therapy, doing more here, just turning it up as best I can safely. Right now, I'm not wearing my knee brace. I got to wear it here and there still, because my knee still hyperextends, because I've still building up that strength, but it takes work, people. That's been working a while. But I wing myself off it. Am I doing super good right now? I'm doing better than I ever have. So right now we're going to start off by doing toe touches to a squat, okay? I'm going to make sure there's nothing around me first. Make sure I'm good and safe where I'm at. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And all what I've been doing too, people, I've been working on my motoring skills and just doing fine tuning and stuff. So what I want to show you guys what I've been doing as well. Whoa, they've been showing me at physical therapy. I think we could get a good angle of that. So basically you want to put one foot in front of another, but not totally in front of each other, but to the side. In this house build, that the front of your leg, like the opposite of your calf, or your shin. Okay, try to get my foot forward, heel to heel, or heel to toe, but you're not touching. And what you want to do is you want to keep them both flat and try to lean as best you can forward. Hold it there for 10-20 seconds. Go back, get up to upright position, go back down, lean forward as best you can without your heel lifting up. You want to do 10 of those. And you want to switch feet, and you want to do the same thing for the other, okay? You're not really touching toes, but you want to be edge to edge, you know what I mean? Just keep doing those. Come back up to upright position. Do it. And you want to hold it there for like 10-20 seconds. I'm just showing you guys a bunch of little things what you guys can do. I'm not going through all the exercise. This is not my daily exercise. This is not what I do. When I work out, I bust a sweat, people. When I do my real workouts, I'm trying to do the best I can. I'm telling you, people, everybody has their stroke, and everybody's stroke is different. Everybody's recovery is different. Everybody had different kind of strokes, people. And I appreciate all you guys, but I don't want to be doing my videos like the way I've been doing them. I want to be showing you guys different things. And I just want to show you guys that just you guys stay motivated no matter what you do. Because I notice all the extra work I've been doing, it's been helping. I can stand up without holding on to anything anymore. All these stretches, totally helping me out. Look it straight up. I don't have to go like this. Look. Straight. Am I still a little bit shaky? Yeah, I'm going to be shaky here and there, but that's all part of the work that we got to put into ourselves, people. But I just want to let you guys know that's what's going on with me. Not that you guys really act concerned about it, but that's cool. If you guys have or haven't, that's fine. But we all got to have our moments where we got to visualize what our out goal is going to be, our outcome goal is going to be. So just focus on yourselves for a while. Sometimes take a break and reassess yourself, and you're gonna get that inner strength again. Because sometimes you need to get these little breaks to find yourself again. Because when you have a stroke, it plays a lot of mental things on your head. And I've been working on these other little projects and stuff. It's just having a stroke plays a lot of mental games on your head. Some days you think you're on top of the world, and some days you wake up like, man, how did I get myself into it? It doesn't matter what you get yourself into. It doesn't matter how it happened. Now it's about trying to get better and making the most you can. And I have been. That's why I don't want to show you guys too much of what I've been doing. I just want to show you what I've been up to, or tell you what I've been up to. Because you got to put the work behind the scenes, and that's what I've been doing. So the next time I do a video in a week or a couple of weeks, I'm going to probably break them down every week or every other week. I ain't going to do no more 2 a week or nothing. And I've just been trying to get everything situated here, because I'm starting up another little project. Because I got to start looking towards when I'm getting better, what I'm going to do. I can't work the way I used to work. I used to be able to roof and work on cars and use a saw and stuff. And I don't want to really cut my hand, so I'm still not there yet safely. Yes, I can use other saws. They have safety devices. I'm not going to spend money on stuff I already have tools of. I just need to get better. So that's what I've been working on, doing all the fine motoring skills, bringing stuff like the spoon to my mouth, getting a water bottle, learning how to pour it without pouring it over myself. Just doing little things like that, people. So when you see me the next time, you'll probably be like, oh, look at it. Instead of seeing me every week and just seeing like, why ain't he making big progress, or he ain't exercised long enough. I do a lot of exercise, but when you guys see me all the time, it doesn't look like that, because it's just like when my physical therapist, they notice the little things that I'm doing, because I could put my arm up straight up now. I don't have to shake as much like I used to. I'm working on keeping my hand open. I'm still having trouble with my hand, people. I work on this every day, 3 or 4 times a day. I do a lot of things 3 or 4 times a day. Get up in the morning and I walk my dog every day. I do all these things, but it takes a while, people. Everybody's going to have the breakthroughs when they get them. So just remember that, people. Don't ever give up on yourself. And always know that you could do it, but you also got to push yourself here and there, but you want to do it safely, okay? If you need help, ask for help, people. See, the thing is, with a lot of you guys have a lot of good family help, a lot of other help. I just do everything on my own. The physical therapists, when they show you stuff, they're just giving you homework to do. They help you out with the stretching, all that stuff, which helps with the aches and the pains you probably have. And then get that stressed out, the plasticity out. But whatever they teach you there, you got to take it home and do more of it. I used to think that going to a physical therapist, like the first year or 2 I was there, was like, oh, they're going to get me back to normal. And one day I'm going to wake up like the day when you had a stroke, you woke up and your life's different. Well, it's going to be different now too as well, people. Now you got to put the work in as hard as you can, as much as you can. So that's all I'm going to say to you guys. I'll see you guys in a week or 2. I'll keep putting out videos, people. I'm just rediscovering myself right now. I'm just learning different things about myself and what my body's really capable of doing safely. And I just want you guys to know, you guys are going to have to find your guys' selves too. And you guys are all going to know. Sometimes, I see some of you guys' videos and you guys are doing great. I appreciate all you guys doing what you're doing. But everybody's stroke was different. Everybody's recovery is different. Everybody's age is different. Everybody's size is different. Everybody's want is different. But I'm going to leave it at that. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys when I see you guys, okay?